Woo! Good morning and welcome back up to our property up here in southern Utah. It is a beautiful sunny day, but it is windy. It's cold outside. Today is the day that we get to put this pantry together. Everything is painted besides, I think we got to touch up a little bit of the blue from when we painted the white. I think we can hit a few spots, but not a big deal. So right now, getting started. I'm not wasting any time. I'm gonna start grabbing these shelves, taking them up in there, and I have to put them together inside the pantry, and then we can start putting this thing together and get rid of that mess that's sitting on the floor in the kitchen. I did want to give you guys an update on the water situation. Nothing has changed. Besides that leak is fixed, we're good. A lot of comments were talking about the pressure switch, which I think that's probably the issue. I've taken it apart and there's not really like metal contacts or anything like that. There's just a big spring and some plastic and a little bit of like rubber. I open it and usually when I open things, I can figure out what is going on and how to fix it. I couldn't figure out how it works. It's kind of weird. But this works for now. We're gonna get a new one at some point. It was whatever, it is what it is. So we do have a heater in here. It's right there. It's on, so it's not freezing in here. Well, we don't want it to be freezing in here. We try our best to make it not freezing in here. Anyway, let's get to work. Well, we're about to get started on this pantry, and I just wanted to say that paint that DWIL paint sent us for the door has been working awesome. Sometimes Charlie scratches at the door to get out, and with it being scratch resistant, it's working really well. Also, we have a lot of wet traffic coming in and out, and since it's also water resistant, it's been holding up super well. Anyways, let's get working on the pantry. That's all I'm saying. Wet.
Oh no. Just because it was so cold?
Yeah.
Well, I woke up this morning so super stoked. The kids are doing homeschool and I am ready to just kick butt on this pantry. Organization is my jam. I love it. So I can't wait to get in here, start giving everything a home. I'm so excited. Hubby, do you know what time it is?
What time is it?
It's time to screw, baby.
What?
Yeah, you gotta screw these in here.
Got me all excited. What the heck? I'm like, the kids are awake. Like, what's going on?
All right, go put the rest of this together for me, would ya?
Absolutely.
You got me all excited. And you're building me a pantry? Woo.
I don't know if you guys noticed, but yesterday Nick went ahead and stained the top of the butcher block and it's looking really, really good. I'm loving all the contrast colors with the white and the blue-gray wall with the butcher block on the top. It's just coming along very well.
So I got all the shelves mounted, screwed in. Everything looks amazing. I love how the white just pops on the blue. But while putting all these shelves in and making them and everything, I did nick the blue a few spots and there was a few light spots. I'm gonna grab the blue paint and just kind of touch everything up really fast. And then we can start loading this thing up with stuff.
Oh, that's exciting.
Yeah.
All right, guys, well, it's really cold and windy out here right now.
All right, we're gonna jump in the shipping container. We're really excited because there's a bunch of stuff in there that we haven't seen in almost 2 years. Tons of kitchen stuff, and now that we have the pantry done, we can kind of organize our kitchen and get it settled and where we want it and organized. Yeah. Right, babe?
There's
organized?
Also organized!
Organized.
Yay!
But we're gonna bust open the shipping container. jump over here and I'll just start throwing you boxes, I guess.
Okay. Send it, bro. Send all of it that says kitchen on it. I think there's like 3 boxes full. Well, when we cleaned our house out in Vegas, I didn't realize that we had as much kitchen stuff as I'm finding out we did. There's like boxes and boxes of it. We had to use the tractor to carry it over here.
We got all the boxes up here from the shipping container. There's a lot more than I thought there was gonna be, so we're in organization mode right now. My wife has us moving everything out of the cabinets that's going in the pantry. All this food that's in this corner, we're gonna put it all right here and kind of organize it so we know what goes together. And then that's when we start putting everything in there. Oh yeah, I forgot. We have to empty all these too and put them in areas and then start putting them in the pantry. I hope we have enough room because that pantry is not that big. It's like 5 feet by like 3.5 feet or something, like a little corner. Anyways, we're gonna get to work trying to organize all this before we organize it in the pantry.
You found some shaker cups. Getting real crazy around here. Think I'll be able to host dinners now and holiday parties. Hubby, what are you finding in that box?
I don't even know. A plate? Oh, this is that from that party that we did.
Yeah.
Let's put this back in here. We're not gonna use this.
Auntie Ange gave that to us. More of a decoration. Well, we went through all those boxes and this is all the food portion of it. And then over there is a bunch of serving dishes, wine glasses, all kinds of stuff. Salad bowls, all the things. Protein shakers. We're gonna find a home for all of this stuff.
We got our work cut out for us.
I think we're gonna be okay though. I'm excited to do this. There's a lot of stuff that needs to be put away, so.
Let's get to work then.
All right, before we get to storing stuff, which we're so excited about that we already started putting the liquor bottles up top, we are going to put liners on all the shelves, just a clear lining to keep everything clean, easy to wipe down. Yeah, I think that looks fine.
Okay.
Is it bothering you? Are you okay with it? It saves room if it's that way. I figured out how to test a marriage. You build a pantry and then...
RV.
Oh, well that too.
Build a house together.
Oh, that really tests the marriage.
Decorate a house together.
Oh, yeah, you don't want him decorating.
What? Everything we're doing right now, test marriage.
Right?
So what else?
We built this pantry and I'm like, babe, I can't even reach the canned goods. And he's like, good, like put them up there.
That's for in an emergency.
That's like, he's like, it's a case of emergency.
Yeah.
I know we don't have like the healthiest food ever, but we're working on it. We will have a garden and be more organic later on. But this is all like, save it for the rainy day in a zombie apocalypse.
It's coming.
Dang, we're looking like hoarders, babe. Really, it's just
starting material right here.
Oh yeah, that's a great idea.
It's February 19th, 2021.
2021.
That's when we packed up our stuff, apparently.
Yep, Las Vegas Review Journal right there. What was the headline? Find a headline, let's see what it was.
Governor to continue fight for school masks. We don't like that one. That's when COVID was in full effect.
Within all this crazy, what's the headline?
Biden's economic meltdown.
Oh.
They already knew that in 2021, huh?
So my Gigi, which is my grandma, left me this awesome silverware. And I'm really excited to use it because Nick and I had a bunch of silverware, but it has just faded over the years. I've gone to the dollar store and got multiple teaspoons because I swear my son throws them away every time he has yogurt or anything else. So I'm really, really excited to use this new silverware. It's beautiful and meaningful.
We spent the entire day trying to get organized. Finishing this pantry was on the top of my wife's priority list, and it is done.
And it looks beautiful.
And we love it. We got everything in here. It looks like for the most part, it looks like a grocery store shelf with everything faced. I love it. It looks great. I like the contrast of the shelves from the wall and the butcher block top. We still have a bunch of organizing to do with other stuff that we took out of our shipping container, but that is gonna be for another day. I hope you guys like or love our Butler pantry. I hope you guys maybe do something like this yourself. That's all the time we're gonna have for this video. We hope you guys enjoyed it. Please comment any questions that you guys have about our pantry. We will answer them. Subscribe to this channel if you are not already.
Give it a big thumbs up.
Give it a big thumbs up, please. And we will see you guys in a few days.
See you in a few days.